Dr. Barrett here. I'm about to do a sulfur mask. This little gem right here is Zo's complexion clearing mask. I love it. I don't do it that often, but it's great to do kind of when you're trying to do a reset on your skin, which I'm about to do. I'm about to do a little bit of fast with my body, and then also with this mask, it's gonna kind of deep clean my skin so that I'm ready for the holidays. Okay, this is a great little stocking stuffer. It's only like 49 bucks. You can get it on our website, postoprecovery.com. It's got 3 key ingredients in it. It's got sulfur, which, as you know, really kind of deep cleans the pores, glycerin, which restores hydration, and kaolin and bentonite clay. Okay, bentonite clay is a great absorption medium which takes out a lot of the toxins in your skin. It's great for acne, or if you just have oily skin, or if you're just trying to rejuvenate the appearance of your skin. So watch me as I go through a basic cleanse and putting the mask on to see what it does for my skin. This stuff is so good. It smells like heaven. We're gonna do a little scrub and then we're gonna put the mask on, okay? A lot of people ask me how my skin looks so youthful. They look surprised when I say I use skincare every day. It's like I got something other magical than like skincare, you know? I mean, I do. I got Botox. I do red light. Do a lot of supplements too. All right, so skin feels great. Zo cleanser, Zo polish. Now the skin's ready for the mask, okay? So we're gonna do that next. Here we go. All right, so quick close up of just some of the ingredients that it has in it. Okay, so you can see it comes off blue, which we love. And you know, obviously we're gonna put this on my face, but you know, it's a pretty simple consistency, and you wanna kind of put it on your face about 15 minutes. You can do this up to twice a week. Some people who have severe acne breakouts definitely wanna do it like that. But for the average person, you can do it once a week, or even once a month, or once a quarter. So it does tingle a little bit when it's going on. You wanna make sure your face is nice and clean. Here we go, looking all warrior-like now. Whew, feels good already. One of these little bottles actually lasts quite a bit, quite a long time. You could probably get a good like 12 masks out of this. And again, you could do it up to twice a week if you're really having a lot of oily skin. This is also good for like the neck and the chest as well, but you don't want to do it in that area quite as much because it can be a little bit harsh on the skin for those areas. So now I'm going to go around the office and talk to my staff and see what their reaction is. All right, let's go see what everybody's doing. Let's go. I'm feeling kind of blue for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. All right. How we doing?
Good.
Good. Okay.
Oh, nice.
What? This is it's a new look. It's a new uniform. Yeah. All right. Mara, did we get the cannula ready for the next case?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's in the room.
All right, let's go. It's been a few minutes. I'm going to take the mask off now. And it comes off pretty easy. Just going to rinse it. Here we go. All right, guys, that feels really good. Okay, how's it look? Zo complexion clearing mask, you guys. Again, those 3 key ingredients in it that kind of rehydrate, get rid of a lot of oily skin, and help kind of detoxify your skin. You can do it once or twice a week. This goes for about 49 bucks. It's on our website, postoprecovery.com. Check it out. It's a great stocking stuffer. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this or other Zo skincare products.